What if the secret to achieving inner peace and balance was hidden in something as small as a grain of salt? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Yet, in Zen philosophy, the profound is often found in the simplest things. Today, I'll share a life-changing story and the surprising wisdom behind putting salt in your shoes. Yes, salt in your shoes. This isn't just an interesting little life hack. It's a powerful metaphor for staying grounded amidst the chaos of life. Imagine your daily stress melting away with every step you take, thanks to a small yet powerful ritual that reconnects you with yourself. Let's explore how this simple act can help you reclaim your peace and live a meaningful, joyful life. The video includes the following content. Part 1. The Symbolism of Salt in Zen Philosophy. Learn how salt has been used across spiritual traditions for cleansing, balance, and letting go of negativity. Part 2. The Ritual of Putting Salt in Your Shoes. Discover practical benefits, from reducing discomfort to creating a portable Zen garden for mindfulness on the go. Part 3. A modern take on ancient wisdom. Understand how science aligns with Zen practices, making this ritual not only spiritual but practical for today's world. Part 4. How to practice this ritual. Step-by-step instructions to integrate this simple yet transformative practice into your life. Salt is much more than just a kitchen ingredient. It is an ancient symbol deeply embedded in many spiritual traditions, especially in Zen Buddhism. In Zen, salt represents a profound understanding of life's essence and the path to spiritual clarity. Purification and transformation. In Zen philosophy, salt is a powerful tool for purification. It is used to cleanse not just physical spaces, but also the mind and spirit. The act of purifying symbolizes returning to your true, untainted self, free from distractions and negative thoughts. Salt represents the process of shedding the unnecessary layers of life, allowing you to reconnect with your original, unclouded essence. Element of balance. In Buddhist teachings, balance is not only about maintaining physical health but also mental and emotional stability. Salt embodies the earth element, reminding us to stay grounded. It is a symbol of stability in the face of life's many ups and downs. Just as the earth provides a solid foundation, salt reminds us to stay rooted in the present moment, no matter what external forces may try to sway us. Protection and letting go. Salt has long been used as a protective element in various cultures. In Zen, it acts like a shield, absorbing negative energies and preventing them from affecting our peace of mind. By setting boundaries and letting go of harmful influences, salt creates space for clarity and inner calm to flourish. The idea of putting salt in your shoes may seem strange at first. But this simple yet powerful ritual has deep significance. It's a metaphor for carrying balance and calm with you wherever you go, reminding you to stay centered throughout your day. Absorbing moisture and reducing discomfort. At a practical level, salt serves a useful purpose by absorbing moisture, which can reduce physical discomfort from damp feet. In a more spiritual sense, it symbolizes the release of tension or negative energy. The salt helps you feel more comfortable in your own body, allowing you to move through the day with a greater sense of ease. Shifting energy. Walking with salt in your shoes can be likened to carrying a Zen garden within you. With each step, the salt reminds you to stay present and grounded. It serves as a gentle nudge to focus on the here and now, helping you maintain inner balance, no matter where you are or what you're facing. Just as a Zen garden brings tranquility to its surroundings, the salt grounds your mind, allowing you to approach life's challenges with calmness and clarity. Zen is not just about meditation, it's about integrating spiritual practices into your everyday life. The simplicity of Zen can be found in the most ordinary activities, and the salt ritual is a perfect example of this integration. Science meets spirituality. The crystalline structure of salt aligns with the scientific concept of mindfulness. Salt, with its natural formation, symbolizes the idea of bringing your scattered thoughts back into harmony. As you become more mindful of the sensations beneath your feet, the salt brings you back to the present moment. It's a simple yet effective way to connect with the here and now. Practical Zen, the practice of putting salt in your shoes, is not based on superstition. It is about embracing simplicity and using it as a tool for enhancing awareness. Zen teaches us to live mindfully in every action, and this ritual is a perfect embodiment of that teaching. By practicing this, you are embracing the idea that spiritual clarity does not need to be complex. It can be found in the smallest, most mundane actions. To make the ritual of salt in your shoes truly meaningful and effective, follow these simple steps. 1. Choose regular shoes. Pick a pair of shoes you wear often, whether they are sneakers, work shoes, or house slippers. The more familiar you are with them, the more easily you can integrate this practice into your routine. 2. Use the right salt. Coarse sea salt is the best choice for this ritual due to its grounding texture. Sea salt, harvested from nature, holds an energy that connects you to the earth. It serves as a perfect medium for grounding and purification. 3. How to do it. Sprinkle a thin layer of salt into the shoes, concentrating on the heel area. This is where most of your weight is distributed as you walk, making it the ideal place for the salt to absorb negative energy. Don't overload the shoes with salt, just enough to create a subtle, grounding effect. 4. Mindful walking. As you walk, bring your attention to the sensation beneath your feet. Feel the salt's texture as it gently massages your soles. With each step, imagine the salt absorbing any negative energy or mental clutter, leaving you feeling lighter and more focused. It's an opportunity to practice mindfulness in motion. 5. Frequency. You don't need to perform this ritual every day, but practicing it 2 to 3 times a week can be enough to experience noticeable benefits. The key is consistency and being mindful each time you do it. This ritual isn't just about salt, it's a gentle reminder to carry peace within you no matter where you go. Never underestimate the power of small, symbolic gestures. They can shift your perspective and bring you closer to inner peace. Try this ritual for 1 week and reflect on the changes. How do you feel? Share your experience to inspire others on their journey. As you walk through life, remember to step lightly but with intention. A pinch of salt in your shoes might just be the stepping stone to balance and clarity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wisdom in Buddhism for more life-changing insights.